Hello everybody, in this video we are going to discuss about post-fertilization events. Post-fertilization events means once double fertilization is over in the angiosperm plants, there are some events happening. All the events collectively what we call it as post-fertilization events means after the fertilization, whatever changes happening in the development of the fruits and seeds, what we call it as post-fertilization events. Now there are four varieties of developments happening in the fertilized ovule. Now the first one is endosperm development, number 2 embryo formation, number 3 maturation of ovule into seeds, whereas the last one is ovary development into fruits. These are the major four events taking place after the fertilization. So what we call it as post-fertilization events. Now you take the first one, that is endosperm development. What is the endosperm first of all? Endosperm is a reserve food material, means once fertilization is over, the growing embryo needs lot of reserve food material for the support of their growth. So first of all there is a need of manufacture of, production of, synthesis of reserve food material. It is taking place in two ways. Number one, free nuclear endosperm development. What does it mean? Free nuclear means, you remember after the second fertilization triple fusion, there is a nucleus called primary endosperm nucleus. It is a triploid. This primary endosperm nucleus is rapidly divides to form the so many number of nuclei. What you call it as free nuclear development of endosperm. The best example for that is in tender coconut there is a water. The complete water is filled with a free nucleus. That means nuclei. So that is called the first development of endosperm. The second level or second phase of the endosperm development is cellular endosperm development. It is nothing but once sufficiently the nucleus is divided, now the cytoplasm are divided. Now they make the cells. So it is partially free nuclear endosperm as well as cellular endosperm. The best example for this category is coconut nut. The kernel is a cellular endosperm development, whereas the water in the same coconut is a free nuclear endosperm development. So these two type of the development taking place, and the plants makes, or the particular embryo will make, or particular ovule makes sufficient amount of the food materials. What you call it as endosperms. Now once endosperm is completely formed, sufficiently formed, then only the zygote divides or start going to make a embryo. There is a question here. See, the zygote is here diploid or fertilized ovule. If they wanted to grow, they need lot of nutrients. From where they will get? That is the reason first endosperm develops. Further, the zygote start develops. So that process what we call it as embryo formation. What we call it is technically embryogenesis. The second steps in the post-fertilization event is embryogenesis. Now the zygote, already I said it is a fertilized ovule, it is a diploid condition, single cell. It undergo rapid division, it undergo rapid mitotic solution, it produces many cells, what we call it as multicellular embryo. See the flow chart, the zygote, diploid, it undergo repeated mitotic solution to form the multicellular embryo, what we call it as multicellular embryo. Now it makes a shape of the globular, that means round shape or spherical shape, what we call it as globular embryo. Now the globular embryo again change into somewhat like a human heart-like structure, what we call it as heart-shaped embryo. Now the heart-shaped embryo still undergoes some changes to completely form the matured embryo, that is called embryo formation over, that is embryogenesis completed. Once the embryo is completed, then we will have so much of integument. It makes so much of cover for the seed coat. Finally, the matured ovule or matured embryo turn into seeds. So that we'll discuss in some other topic. Now we'll move on to the next chapter, that is embryo of the dicotyledonous plant as well as embryo of the monocotyledonous plant.